I want to introduce Megan to you. She is my massage therapist. She has her own business. It's called Calm Blossom Massage. So we were talking during my last massage, and we're trying to figure out how we can engage all of our clients to stay on track this summer. So both of us deal with clients that have a lot of inflammation on their body for one reason or the other. So I believe garbage in, garbage out, and then she's the one who gets to massage all the muscles and get all the toxins out. So we decided to put together a cooking class. Well, not really cooking because it's summer, so we're trying to be easy. So everything that you can do with the avocado, because everybody knows that whatever answer they're looking for, I always tell them, eat an avocado today. So eat something green, eat some more salt, eat some more potassium. So we're going to take the avocado, we're going to make guacamole, we're going to make chimichurri, we're going to make ranch, we're going to make mayo, and then we're going to make, what was the last one? Cucumber avocado soup. So she's going to invite her clients, I'm going to invite my clients. And
it's Monday, July 8th from 6 to 7:30. We can't wait to see you because it's just so important. And together I feel that we go together like avocado and
salt. Salt. Everybody needs more sea salt in their diet.